Hey everyone! Cleaning up your saved links, images, and pages in Google Collections is a quick process that helps keep your account organized. Here is how to remove those items step by step using the Google app. Step 1. Heading to the Central Hub. We are starting at google.com/interests/saved. On desktop, this is your command center for everything you've ever bookmarked across Google Search, Images, and Maps. Why this page? Unlike the mobile app, which has a dedicated tab, the desktop version is hidden behind your profile or reachable via a direct link. This page aggregates all your collections in one place. You will see a grid. Each square represents a folder or collection. Some are made by you, others, like favorite locations, are created by Google. Step 2. Entering a specific collection. Now we are clicking on a collection title. We do this because you cannot delete items from the high-level dashboard. You must enter the specific room where the items are stored. What happens inside? Once you click, say, Vacation Ideas, the screen fills with cards representing links, photos, or locations. On the top right of this screen, you'll see a Select button. This is the magic wand for desktop users. It allows you to click the check mark on multiple items at once instead of removing them one by one. Step 3. The deletion and its impact. We are finishing by hitting Remove or Delete. Depending on which screen you're on, the result is slightly different. Removing from a specific collection, if you're inside a custom folder, this removes the item from that folder. Important note, to delete an item permanently from your entire account, you should do this from the All Saved Items collection. Once you click Remove, the item disappears immediately. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.